How are you? I'm good, thank you. What is your name? My name is Ria. Where are you from? I'm from Hyderabad. How old are you? I'm 20 years old. What do you do? I am a student. Do you speak English? Yes, I do speak English. No, I don't speak English. When do you wake up? I wake up at 6 a.m. What do you drink in the morning? I usually have milk or coffee or tea. What time do you go to college? I go to college at 9 a.m. How do you get to college? I take the bus. What do your parents do? My father is a teacher and my mother is a homemaker. Do you have any siblings? Yes, I have one brother and one sister. No, I am an only child. Are you the eldest or youngest in the family? Yes, I am the youngest. No, I am the eldest. What does your brother or sister do? My brother is an engineer and my sister is a doctor. Do you get along with your siblings? Yes, we are very close. Sometimes we argue, but we get along well. How do you enjoy your free time? I like to read books. What's your favorite color? My favorite colors are blue and green. What's your favorite fruit? My favorite fruit is mango. Do you like to travel? Yes, I do like traveling. No, I don't like traveling. Do you have any pets? I have a pet dog. Do you like to cook? Yes, I enjoy cooking. No, I don't like cooking. Is today a holiday? Yes, today is a holiday. No, today is not a holiday. Are you happy? Yes, I'm happy. No, I'm not happy or I'm sad. Why are you sad? I'm sad because I miss my mom. She went to my relative's place. Don't worry, she'll be back soon. Yes, I know. I just can't wait to see her. Alright then, take care. Thanks, you too. Bye. Like, share and subscribe for more such videos. Thanks for watching.